Sometimes, you don't need a modern camera to feel something real. Today, I'm shooting with the legend, the Canon AE-1 Program, loaded with the Kodak T-MAX 400. Let's take a trip back in the time. This camera came out in the early 80s, but it still turns heads today. The Canon AE-1 Program is 35 SLR that made in film photography more accessible with auto exposure and full manual controls. Simple, tough, and elegant. And I paired with a Kodak T-MAX 400, one of the most beautiful black and white films you can still buy today. It's sharp, it's contrasty, and has modern clean grain that just hits different. Shooting with this combo makes you slow down. You think before every frame. Every photo has intention. And with T-MAX 400, you get just enough speed to shoot handheld even on the cloudy days. If you are getting into a film, this setup is magic. The Canon AE-1 Program still holds its grounds in 2025. And the Kodak T-MAX 400, it's black and white perfection. And a quick shoutout to the PUNCUBE Mech Wallet I carry with my gear. It's compact, durable, and stylish. Seriously, fits right into your shoot day pocket. Check the link in the description if you want to. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in your favorite film stock in the comments. See you in the next one.
If you like our background music,
Check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.